Push a 1 megawatt AI rack through a traditional 54-volt busbar and you would need up to 200 kilograms of copper just to feed a single cabinet. That physics wall is why the industry is jumping to 800 volts DC. According to Schneider Electric's October 2025 blog, NVIDIA's Kyber racks packing 576 Rubin Ultra GPUs arrive in 2027, with the Open Compute project racing to standardize the shift. Over the next few minutes, we will unpack what 800 VDC is, why copper forces the move, and what we make of it. Let us start with the core idea behind 800 VDC AI rack power. Here are the essentials of 800 VDC AI rack power in plain language, what it is and why it was introduced. Schneider Electric reports that NVIDIA's Kyber architecture targets 600 kilowatts to 1 megawatt per rack, housing 576 Rubin Ultra GPUs. At 48 to 54 volts, feeding that load reportedly demands around 200 kilograms of copper busbar per cabinet, which simply does not scale. Power equals volts times amps, so raising voltage from 54 to 800 cuts current roughly 15-fold for the same wattage. NVIDIA projects 800 VDC delivers about 45% less copper and near 5% higher end-to-end efficiency than legacy distribution. According to Schneider Electric, 800 VDC enables one centralized AC to DC conversion instead of repeated transformer steps. Fewer conversions mean fewer losses, and DC distribution leans on highly reliable diodes and overcurrent protection, simplifying the electrical path from grid to chip. The Open Compute project is driving 800 VDC standardization, with efforts like the Diawolo 400 specification. NVIDIA has named more than a dozen ecosystem partners, and full-scale 800 VDC deployments are expected to coincide with Kyber rack systems shipping in 2027. Now let us look at why 800 VDC AI rack power matters in practice. Here is where 800 VDC AI rack power shows up in real products, teams, and decisions. The voltage math is settled. What worries us is timing. Power supplies, connectors, protection gear, and trained electricians all need 800 VDC qualification by 2027. We think the standards work, not the engineering, will decide who ships AI capacity on schedule. Schneider says its 800 VDC sidecar lands before Rubin Ultra arrives. We read that as smart positioning, operators who pilot reference designs now de-risk 2027 build-outs, while latecomers may face the same copper and lead time crunch that forced this transition. A megawatt in one rack cannot be air-cooled. Schneider's April 2026 follow-up calls liquid cooling effectively mandatory at 800 VDC. We caution buyers to budget power and thermal together, because retrofitting direct-to-chip cooling later is far costlier than designing for it. NVIDIA is steering both silicon and the 800 VDC architecture. We see efficiency gains worth chasing, but recommend favoring OCP-aligned, multi-vendor gear over proprietary lock-in, so a power investment outlives any one GPU generation's roadmap. Let us recap the key takeaways on 800 VDC AI rack power and what to do next. At 48 to 54 volts, a 1 megawatt rack reportedly needs around 200 kilograms of copper busbar. That weight and cost, documented by Schneider Electric, is the core reason the industry is abandoning low-voltage distribution for 800 VDC. By raising voltage and SL ashing current, NVIDIA projects 800 VDC uses about 45% less copper, delivers near 5% higher efficiency, and supports up to 70% maintenance savings versus traditional AC distribution. NVIDIA's Kyber system connecting 576 Rubin Ultra GPUs is SL-ated for 2027, with the Open Compute project and a dozen-plus partners standardizing 800 VDC so the broader supply chain is ready in time. Because 800 VDC racks demand liquid cooling and new protection hardware, the takeaway is that AI infrastructure decisions are no longer about chips alone. Electrical and thermal design now sit at the center of capacity planning. If the shift from copper-heavy busbars to 800 VDC reshaped how you think about AI infrastructure, Share this with a colleague planning a 2027 build-out. For more clear breakdowns of the standards and technology behind modern data centers, head over to standarity.com. We will see you in the next one.